We just need some fun, okay? Let's just have time to miss each other.
When James's relationship takes a turn for the worst, he and his wife plan a romantic getaway.
If you know you want to be like Tony, just tell me, okay? Don't waste my time.
You really think this little vacation is going to help you with your marriage?
Spending time with my wife would be a good thing because we need to spice things up.
We're going to Vegas.
But what wasn't in the plan was a night out with the boys.
James, what do you mean?
Well, I guess it is.
The creators of Paparazzi Eye in the Dark introduce a new film.
What's up with you, James?
From director John Uche.
Stay single, all right? A wife will make you DBH. Desperate, broke, and horny.
Never I looked at a woman, it was considered cheating.
I need to talk to you.
Cinematography by Black Magic 10.
I have not heard from you since you left me in that hotel.
A group of friends finds that what happens in Vegas
It's not my son.
doesn't always stay in Vegas. Jimmy Jean Louise, John Dumelo, Siraj Bertine, Yvonne Nelson, and Vicker. A Koby Maxwell film. Special appearances by Michael Blackson, coming soon.